The Guizhou province's population is a diverse one. You can find people here various Chinese ethnicities. But one thing most have in common is their love for sour soup. The Chinese Hmong people were the first ones to make it. And to know the traditional Hmong method to cooking it, you need to look no further than the Guiyang Kaili restaurant. Chef Yun Cheng has worked here for 15 years. The chef and his team begin preparations every day at 4 in the afternoon. He will check everything in the kitchen, every little detail, to make sure everything works properly before the peak hours begin. Today, Chef Cheng's friends will be visiting to taste tradition Guiyang dishes. And the chef plans to cook the restaurant's most popular one, fish and sour soup. This is nearly 400 years of the Hmong people's culinary traditions and history that the Kaili restaurant and Chef Cheng have kept alive. The sour soup is brewed in this jar over a period of time, and the wild cherry tomatoes have to be chosen well. For flavoring, the chef chooses bamboo shoots, bean sprouts, pickles, let's see pungents, and lard oil. Then comes the main ingredient, the catfish. Once it's mixed into the sour soup, the Hmong-style fish hot pot is ready to be served.
这个酸汤鱼啊，你到我们这边必须吃，必须吃的，它味道非常好，它里能吃啊，里头的。
Before eating, people can mix their dipping sauce, which customizes the taste of the soup and makes it more unique. It's one of the examples of how the Hmong culinary culture remains a heartbeat for this restaurant. Diners here get to dig in to some of the Hmong culture's best recipes, and quite literally, get a taste of the culture itself.